Hello everyone, welcome back to Slide Hunt with C programming video tutorials. Slide Hunt provides free video tutorials on programming languages. To subscribe this channel, click on the subscribe button that appear at bottom right corner. Or you can visit my YouTube channel by typing www.youtube.com/slidehunt. Okay, let's back to our topic. In this video, I am going to teach you nested structure in C. What is nested structure? A nested structure is nothing but creating a variable of one structure inside another one. For example, here we create a structure address that contains two elements, char city and int pin. Next, I am going to create another structure, struct employee. It contains two elements, employee name and employee age. Now if we want to access the element of structure address from structure employee, then we need to declare here a variable of structure address. I am going to write here struct address A. As you can see here, variable of one structure declared inside another structure. So we can say it as a nested structure. Next we learn how we can use a nested structure in a program. Here we declare a structure of employee that contains two elements, employee name and employee age. If we want to store the address of employee, let's say city name, pin code, etc. For that I am going to write here char city and int pin code. But if we group these two attributes or element under one name, then it would be easier to write the code and maintain it. For that I am going to cut these two attributes, and here I am going to create another structure, struct address, a pair of curly braces and then a semicolon. Now I am going to paste here the attributes. So the structure address contains two attributes, char city and int pin code. We can access the structure address from structure employee. For that I am going to write here struct address A. It is similar to creating a structure variable, but here we are creating a structure variable inside another structure. That's why it is called nested structure. Next I am going to creating a variable of structure employee and then assign values to that variable. For that I am going to write here struct employee and then structure name, let's say John. First we have to assign name. Since name is a string value, so we can't use a assignment operator to initialize it. For example, John.name equal to John. This initialization is wrong. To assign a string value, we need to use strcpy function. So I am going to write here strcpy First write here the target, that is John.name. Then within double quote write the input string that you want to copy. I am going to write here John. Next element is age and it is integer type. So I am going to write here John.age equal to 27. Next we have to assign the value for the variable A. But this A is a variable of structure address. So first we consider A as a variable of structure employee. For that I am going to write here John.a. Then we use the element of structure address. First element is city. So I am going to write here dot city. Since city is a character type variable, so we use here strcpy function to assign value. strcpy. This is the target. And inside the double quote I am going to write the city name, that is Kolkata. Next element is pin code. So I'm going to write here John dot a dot pin code equal to 01. So we have assigned all the values of structure variable John. Next we printed out all these values to the screen. For that I'm going to write here printf name equal to %s, add here a tab, age equal to %d, add a tab, then city equal to %s, add a tab, and then pin code equal to %d. Next we need to specify the elements John.name, John.age, John.a.city, John.a.pincode. Okay, let's check the output. Compile and run. As you can see here, it pin name equal to John, age 27, city Kolkata, and pin code 1. Okay. The next thing is there is another easy method to initialize values. We can do it at the time of declaration of structure variable using curly braces. Let's see how to do it. I am going to delete this initialization. Give here a assignment operator, a pair of curly braces. Now inside the curly braces assign the values of the elements. First element is name, so I'm going to write here John, add a comma. Second element is age, I'm going to write here 27. Third element is city, I'm going to write here Kolkata, add a comma. And the last element is pin code, I'm going to write here 01. One thing must be noted, here we assign all the elements of a structure and nested structure in the same way. Let us check the output, compile and run. As you can see here, it pin name equal to John, age 27, city Kolkata, and pin code equal to 1. This is it. This was about nested structure in C. If you like this video, please share it and click on the like button. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Get in touch with us. Visit us on YouTube at youtube.com/slidehunt. Join us on Facebook at facebook.com/slidehunt. Follow us on Twitter and Google+.